Hi, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the globe in the sun visor. It's a really easy job, so just about anyone can do it. Make sure you check out my other content as well. I've got lots of how-to videos, so if you're interested in how to do something, have a scroll through, see if it's there. If a video is not there that you want to see, make sure you let me know what you want to see as a how-to video. I'm an average person, I make videos for the average person, so if it's something simple that I can do, I'll make a video on it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that way you can see any of the other videos that I make in the future, and hit that little bell notification so that way you get notified when I make the videos. Also, give this a thumbs up so that way other people can see it's a great video. Leave a comment telling me what you think. Let's get into this. So to get this job done, I'm just going to be using a small screwdriver with a small flat bit. You can use any small metal tool, it's just enough to ply away the plastic. So to remove the cover, there's two ways of doing it. The first way is there's 6 points around the cover that you can get behind and try and pop out. So you can get behind it and pop these. I find this a lot harder. They don't always pop back in like this. So the way I'm going to be doing it is with my screwdriver. There's 4 points on this lens, 1, 2, 3 and 4 that you're going to pop out. Doing it this way, you may put a little bit of an indent mark on the side of the plastic, barely noticeable. I find it easier to do it this way, but it's up to you. So what you do is you just get your screwdriver, poke it in the side, push to the side until it unclips a little bit. You can see that it's pulled away. I do the same down here and it pops the lens out. If you can see, the points are offset, so the lens can only go in one way. So I'm going to put this to the side. Just be mindful that if you're going to change the globe while it's on, it may be hot, so you may want to use a tissue or a rag or even a small pair of tweezers or something to get it out. Once you've swapped it out, what you want to do is get the cover and you want to line it up one side and then just push it back in. You can almost rub those plastic marks out. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for all my other videos to come. Thanks for watching.